Welcome to Anatomy of Life, where we explore the incredible systems that keep the human body alive. From the brain and heart to hormones, organs, and disease, we break down complex medical science into clear, fascinating stories about how your body works. Because understanding your body is the first step to protecting your health. This is Anatomy of Life. Every single bite you take, every sip you drink, triggers one of the most complex and fascinating processes inside your body. A system so powerful, it can break down solid food, extract nutrients, fuel your cells, and eliminate what you don't need. This is the digestive system, your body's internal processing plant. But what actually happens to your food after you swallow it? Let's take a journey from the moment food enters your mouth to the very end of its path. The digestive process begins here in the mouth. As you chew, your teeth break food into smaller pieces. This is called mechanical digestion. At the same time, saliva begins chemical digestion. Saliva contains enzymes like amylase, which starts breaking down carbohydrates into sugars. Your tongue then shapes the food into a soft mass called a bolus, making it easier to swallow. Swallowing and esophagus. Once swallowed, the food enters the esophagus, a muscular tube connecting your mouth to your stomach. But here's something incredible. Food doesn't just fall down. It's pushed by rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. Wave-like movements guide the food safely downward, even if you're lying upside down. The stomach. Now the food reaches the stomach, a powerful acidic chamber. Here, digestion intensifies. The stomach releases gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid, strong enough to dissolve metal, digestive enzymes like pepsin. These break down proteins into smaller fragments. The stomach also churns food into a thick liquid called chyme. But despite its strength, your stomach protects itself with a thick mucus lining. The small intestine. This is where most digestion and nutrient absorption happens. The small intestine is over 20 feet long and divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum, bilium. Here, your body gets help from two important organs. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats. The pancreas releases enzymes that digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Inside the small intestine are millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. These increase surface area, allowing nutrients to pass into the bloodstream. This is where your body absorbs vitamins, minerals, glucose, amino acids, fueling every cell in your body. The large intestine. What remains now enters the large intestine, also called the colon. Here's its main job: absorb water, form waste. Friendly bacteria in your gut also help produce vitamins like vitamin K. Support your immune system. As water is removed, the remaining material becomes solid waste. Rectum and anus. The final stage. Waste is stored in the rectum until it's ready to leave the body. When the time is right, it exits through the anus to a very complex journey. Why the digestive system matters. Without your digestive system, your body couldn't survive. It provides energy, nutrients, building blocks for growth and repair. But when something goes wrong, it can lead to conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, irritable bowel syndrome, malnutrition. That's why maintaining digestive health is essential. From the first bite to the final step, your digestive system works tirelessly every single day. A silent, powerful system, keeping you alive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the human body, subscribe to Anatomy of Life, where we explore the science of you.